ma'am, let's just talk about ways to prevent diabetes. Could you please elaborate a few?
Yes. Um, so, the most important things one can incorporate is exercise. Uh, One of the major reasons for having increased prevalence of diabetes is sedentary lifestyle. So, reducing the sitting duration and increasing active duration. These are two different things. These are not one and the same thing. And it's very important in today's era to emphasize on that, because people tend to now sit for continuous 10 to 12 hours in a day because of work from home and changes in work schedule. So reducing sitting to less than 3 hours in continuity, plus adding exercise, both are equally important, because just 30 minutes of exercise will not offset the effect of sitting. It's said that sitting is a new smoking. So reducing sitting will help in preventing diabetes, reducing the risk of heart disease. Stay as active as possible. 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise every day, which means brisk walking or jogging or cycling, swimming, whichever you enjoy doing. So any fun, sustainable activity which you can continue doing all throughout, or incorporate it during your daily schedule. So maybe every 3 minutes every hour, that will be equal to 30 minutes over a full day duration is also good enough. Making proper food choices. So we are bombarded with so much high calorie dense food around us, and there are too many nudges for eating those foods. We have apps where we can order really high calorie dense food immediately. So being aware of those nudges and making correct food choices, as we mentioned, using more of unprocessed and home cooked food is what is going to maybe help in preventing diabetes. Now, having discussed that, maybe we can come to the reason why actually diabetes is so prevalent in India, and one of the reason is that India is going through a major socio-economic shift. We are a developing nation, or we are moving from low and middle income to a little higher income, and there are a lot of different kind of India. So there are people who are very poor, there are people who are very rich, and there are shifts happening rural to urban. What happens during this process is when a low weight mother conceives and the baby is not getting enough nutrition while as fetus, and a low birth weight baby is born, there is a sense of economic insecurity there. So the baby has something called thrifty phenotype, that whatever calories is given, the baby may try to hoard it. So in developed nations, if extra calories is given, we'll see that they become taller, whereas short and fat habitus is very common in India. That's because we are more concerned about hoarding that fat at maybe abdominal, in the liver and pancreas, instead of using that to grow in height. So that insecurity. So anthropologically, the reason why people think diabetes is so much increasing is because the baby kind of has that fear of food insecurity, which leads to thrifty phenotype, accumulating fat at wrong places, which ultimately causes damage in liver and pancreas. So I think it will take generations to improve a mother's health and baby's health, and there is a lot to work on women health to improve this whole change. So I think the work which needs to be done in preventing diabetes at a national scale is not at an individual level. It's not something a single person can kind of deal with. The only way to deal with it is to take care of maternal nutrition, and that will automatically improve health in future, because the first 1000 days of fetus or the baby is very important, and all the programming is done there. The risk of diabetes happens there. So the change has to be done actually in the uterus.
So ma'am mentioned there are ways to prevent diabetes. First, exercise at least for 30 minutes a day. consume, like eat proper food, make good choices. And ma'am also narrated a very grave situation, grave problem. Why are the diabetes cases rising in India? And how situation need to be handled at maternal level, how changes need to be made in fetus.